everyone, I'm Zakir. I'm a health and fitness coach, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a 7 days diet plan for PCOS and PCOD. So previously we had shared a video on a 7 days fat loss diet plan, so you can check it out here. But this is specially a PCOD and PCOS special. Every 1 in 5 women of the reproductive age is suffering from PCOS or PCOD. The common symptoms of these are excessive hair growth, stubborn fat that is very difficult to lose. You gain a lot of fat around your abdominal area and you have irregular periods as well. So it is very important if you have PCOS or PCOD to maintain a healthy lifestyle, have a correct diet plan that gives you enough nutrients that you require and also at the same time help you lose weight. Work out at least 5 times a week and at least add in 3 strength training sessions every week. All these combined will help you reduce the symptoms of PCOS and PCOD. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a 7 days diet plan that will help you lose weight. If you want a customized diet plan for yourself, you can fill in the registration form in the link in the description, and first we will have a consultation with you and then we're going to make a very personalized diet plan that is going to exact work for your fitness goals and your fitness preferences. In this diet plan, there are going to be 5 meals every day. The first is your breakfast. The second is going to be a snack which you're going to have at 11 a.m. The third is going to be a lunch. The fourth is going to be a snack that you're going to have at around 5 or 6 p.m. And the last meal for the day is going to be dinner. Key points to remember in this meal plan are that the snack that you're going to have at 11 a.m. and 6 p.m. is going to be the same every day. So you don't have to struggle with what to eat for snacks, and you can just quickly prepare it and have it. And you're also going to have 1 cup of green tea or turmeric milk every day before bed if you still feel hungry before bed. So let us start with the diet plan. So the morning drink that you're going to have first thing early morning on empty stomach is going to be according to your menstrual cycle. So from day 1 to day 14, you're going to have 1 glass of lukewarm water and you're going to add in 1 teaspoon roasted flax seeds along with 1 teaspoon of roasted pumpkin seeds. And from day 14 onwards, you're going to have 1 glass of lukewarm water. You're going to add to this 1 teaspoon of roasted sunflower seeds and 1 teaspoon of roasted sesame seeds. So let's start with day 1 of your diet plan. So after you've had your morning drink according to your menstrual cycle, so you're going to have your breakfast about 30 minutes within waking up. You're going to have 1 boiled egg along with 1 cup of ragi porridge. Let's then move on to snack. For snack, which is around 11 a.m., your mid-morning snack, you're going to have 1 cup of green tea along with a handful of nuts, which could be either 4 almonds or 4 walnuts. Then let's move on to your lunch for day 1. For lunch, you're going to have 1 cup of brown rice. You're going to have this with 1 cup of mixed vegetable salad along with 1 cup of dal. Let's move on to the snack for day 1. Again, the snack, you're going to repeat the snack every day for the 7 days diet plan. You're going to have 1 bowl of cut up seasonal fruit, and you can even sprinkle either sunflower or flax seeds along with this. So this is going to be same for all your 7 days. Let's move on to the dinner for your day 1 diet plan. For dinner, you're going to have 1 cup of sauteed chicken along with 1 cup of vegetables, and you can also add 1 glass of buttermilk if you're still hungry after eating this much. Again, before bed, like I told earlier in this video, you can either have 1 cup of green tea or half cup of turmeric milk. Let's move on to day 2 of your 7 days diet plan. You're going to start your day with your morning drink according to your menstrual cycle. Then you're going to move to the breakfast for day 1, which is going to be overnight oats. If you want to know the recipe of this overnight, I've shared the link for this recipe in the description below, so you can check it out. Then moving on to your snack, which you're going to have same every day, which is 1 cup of green tea along with a handful of nuts. Now moving on to lunch, you're going to have 1 whole grain roti. You're going to have this with 1 cup of dal along with 1 cup of mixed vegetable curry. Moving on to dinner for day 1, you're going to have 1 multigrain roti. You're going to have this with 1 cup of curry, and you're going to have 1 cup of vegetable salad with this. Try to make this vegetable salad cooked because you don't want to have anything like broccoli or cauliflower uncooked for dinner. So make sure it is cooked. Again, before bed, you can either have 1 cup of green tea or half cup of turmeric milk. Moving on to day 3 of your 7 days fat loss diet plan, PCOD PCOS Special. You're going to start your day with a morning drink, and for breakfast, you're going to have 1 cup of dalia upma with vegetables. And again, at 11 a.m., you're going to have your snack. For lunch, you're going to have 1 cup of brown rice along with 1 cup of vegetable raita. Then again, you're going to have your 6 p.m. snack that I have mentioned earlier in the video as well. And then for dinner, you're going to have 1 multigrain roti along with 2 egg whites curry and 1 glass of buttermilk. You can also end your day with 1 cup of green tea or half cup of turmeric milk. Moving on to day 4 of your 7 days diet plan, you're going to start your day with your morning drink. For breakfast, you're going to have 1 bowl of oatmeal topped with your seasonal fruit. Moving on to your snack, you're going to have the same thing that you're having every day. For lunch, you're going to have 1 methi thepla along with 1 bowl of vegetable curry, and you're going to have your 6 p.m. snack as usual. For dinner, you're going to have 1 cup of brown rice along with 1 cup of grilled chicken with mushroom and 1 glass of buttermilk. Again, you can end your day with either 1 cup of green tea or half cup of turmeric milk. Moving on to your day 5 of your 7 days PCOD, PCOS Special diet plan is, you're going to start your day with your morning drink. For breakfast, you're going to have 1 bowl of vegetable oats. Then you're going to have your 11 a.m. snack as usual. For dinner, you're going to have 1 paneer sandwich in 2 whole wheat bread along with 1 cup of mixed vegetable salad. I have shared the recipe for this paneer sandwich in the link in the description, so you can check it out. And for your 6 p.m. snack, you're going to have it as usual. But one thing I also wanted to share with you is that if you're working out in the evening, so for your evening snack, instead of having the seasonal food, you can also have your pre-workout or post-workout smoothie that will give you the energy you require for the workout. And for dinner, you're going to have 1 cup of brown rice along with 1 cup of grilled chicken and 1 glass of buttermilk. You can end your day again with either green tea or turmeric milk. Moving on to the last day of this diet plan, which is day 6, you're going to start your day normally with your morning drink. For breakfast, you're going to have 2 eggs omelette with vegetables. You're going to have your normal snack at 11 a.m. For lunch, you're going to have 1 bowl of vegetable oats upma with 1 glass of buttermilk. Then you're going to have your 6 p.m. snack as usual. Again, if you're working out, you can either have a pre or post-workout smoothie. Then moving on to your last meal for this diet plan is for dinner. You're going to have 1 bowl of spinach soup along with 1 cup of grilled paneer and 1 cup of sauteed mixed vegetables. Again, you can end your day either with 1 cup of green tea or half cup of turmeric milk. So this was it. This was your 7 days diet plan, weight loss diet plan if you have PCOS or PCOD. If you have PCOS or PCOD, it is very important, like I told earlier in the video, to work out, to maintain a healthy lifestyle and to follow a correct diet plan. I'm sure if you follow this diet plan along with working out regularly, adding in strength workouts along with your cardio workouts, you're definitely going to minimize the symptoms of your PCOS and you're even going to lose weight. If you want to join any of our fitness programs, we have men's fitness classes, women's fitness classes, online and studio. We have personal training and physiotherapy. So again, you can fill the registration form in the link in the description. So that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. We upload new videos every week. We upload videos of full-length workout videos, health and fitness tips, physiotherapy tips and meal plans and so much more. So you don't want to miss any videos from GoFit with Arwa. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Also follow us on Instagram gofit.arwa where we upload daily health and fitness tips. We also share a lot of workouts and a lot of easy recipes that are just like 2 or 3 minutes to make. So make sure you follow us on Instagram and follow everything that we post daily. That's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. Do follow this meal plan if you want to see effective results. See you guys next week.